Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 66 reg Peugeot 308, fully loaded, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloys, privacy glass, diesel but Euro 6, panoramic roof, in very good condition, incredibly low mileage, half leather seats, side airbags, your locking wheel nut keys here, your manuals are in that there. Isofix rear seats as well. There's these handy storage boxes here and here. Lines here you can shut. And you can put this down. Which is handy to load stuff in. Just lifts up here. Inflation kit there. You could put a spare wheel in there easy if you wanted to, of course. These seats will fold down to give you more storage area in the boot. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, instruction manuals, height adjustable driver's seat into the vehicle. Here's the key, flip key. Foot on the brake, key. Sat nav pops up, head up display as well. So you can see that. I can see it, but you can't really see it, but it's just a speedo on there. It's got the speed on this bit here. This is not flickering. It's the camera is making it appear to flicker. It's the camera makes it flicker. It's done 23,081 miles, which is obviously incredibly low. You can shut the blinds if you wish. We'll shut it all the way so it works. Basically this switch here. Very, very clean car. Telephone, navigation, music. It's all up here basically. In this pocket here, really cavernous pocket. This is huge, great big pocket. It's handy. This here will fit here, store stuff here. To rest stuff on. This is. There's a 12-volt socket here. Pocket there to store stuff as well. Lock, unlock, turn your parking sensors off. Cruise control, speed limiter. This is your telephone button here to answer the calls and put it down. You can have different modes, navigation. This is all from this here, basically. Dual climate. You can see they go up together. That's this mono button. Automatic, obviously. You can drive it manually here. You put it into here and then flick it across. Now it's driving manual. To turn the vehicle off, these go down out of the way and the vehicle's off. Thank you for watching. If you get any questions, please give us a call.